How to protect your PC from ransomware attacks. Ransomware is nasty stuff. This type of malware encrypts files on your PC so that you can't access them, unless you pay the attacker to unlock the data. In other words, your files are held hostage until you cough up the demanded ransom, unless you're able to survive the ransomware attack using other means.
The best defense against ransomware is avoiding sites and downloads riddled with it, but you can take other protective measures too. Modern antivirus software often restrict which apps can change files and folders commonly targeted by ransomware. Microsoft Defender, which is built into Windows, can do this too. Microsoft changed the name from Windows Defender several years ago, but it's the same program. Some antivirus suites also run automatic backups, in case you need to restore your files.
The catch: unlike third-party antivirus software, these extra safeguards are not turned on by default in Microsoft Defender. You have to enable them yourself. Open your Settings app, then choose Windows Security. In the Windows Security app, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click Manage Ransomware Protection at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can easy to switch on or off controlled folder. You can check and add an Allow app. If controlled folder access has blocked an app you trust, you can add it as an allowed app. This allows the app to make changes to protected folders. You can also manually add other folders or disk drive to the list. This setting restricts app access to your PC's default OneDrive, documents, pictures, videos, music, and favorites folders, and protect your PC from ransomware attacks free in Windows. Limiting access to files and folders won't completely protect them. Another important method of defense is to have good backups, which Windows automatically does if you logged into OneDrive, Google Drive, and more options.
Thanks for your watching and hope that this information will help you to protect your PC data.